Alright, so this is one of our harder problems that we have here in the review, at least in my opinion, but who am I to say what's hard and what's easy for you? Anne removed 3/4 of the balls from the toy box, then Brian removed 1/3 of the balls that remained in the box, leaving 16 balls still in the box. How many balls did Anne remove? This is one of those problems where, for those of us who are algebra fans, we might break out some gigantic system of linear equations. That's not the intention here. We want to create a pictorial. So since we have 16 balls that are left at the very end of this process, what we want to think about is, what does that mean? So 1/3 of the balls that remained in the box, you removed 1/3, 16 were left. So that means that that 16 represents 2/3. So what that means is we want to draw a shape where we can think of things in terms of thirds. And so now that I have this rectangle, I am going to divide that rectangle into thirds. And so now what I have to think about is that 16 represents 2/3. So that means that there's 8 in each of the thirds, so the third that was removed by Brian is also 8. Therefore, we had a total of 24 at this point. So when we go even further backwards, so Anne removed 3/4 of the balls, this portion here represents 1/4 that was left over. So, and proportionally this is not going to be accurate, but again, if we think about a rectangle, and that this particular portion here represents, this 24 represents 1/4 of the rectangle. So again, this is not proportional, but this portion, this 24, is 1/4 of what was there originally. So the 3/4 that was removed by Anne are each 24, and so when we do 24 times 4, that means that she had 96 balls in the toy box to begin.